Can I fly a drone in China? Can I fly a drone in China?
Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, Blue Moon Valley.
Is it possible to fly a drone over a monastery in Shangri La?
Không? Thấy cầu không? Thấy. Đó, mình bay qua cái cầu cái mình bay ngược lại.
My first time flying a drone.
Muốn luôn này đâu?
The scenery is amazing. Wow.
Blue Moon Valley.
The water in the lake is as green as jade.
My first time flying abroad.
This is Jade Dragon Snow Mountain and Blue Moon Valley.
A few minutes ago.
I am very nervous because I do not know if there is a problem.
I have a G Mini for Pro drone available.
Before that, I was preparing to fly in the Blue Moon Valley area. Insert the battery and start the flycam.
My first time flying a drone in China.
It's quite crowded here, so I have to be careful. Hello, please keep your distance. Take off. This is the Blue Moon Valley in Yunnan, China.
We are waving. Do you see?
I am controlling the flycam to fly high.
Oh, that is the beautiful Jade Dragon Snow Mountain.
I will let the flycam fly around. Below the mountain is the Blue Moon Valley and the Emerald River. I will fly backwards to widen my view.
Đúng rồi, để mình cho bay lui lại bên này.
Wow, so beautiful, guys.
panoramic view of Blue Moon Lake from flycam.
Bay xuống dưới luôn rồi, đi xuống dưới mấy cái
Oh,
xe
I
cái
saw
cầu
a
này, thấy
bridge
cầu không?
with many cars
Cầu không?
moving on.
Đó, mình bay qua cái cầu cái mình bay ngược lại.
Well, it's so beautiful, right, guys?
Turn around and see what's going on.
Có chứ, có gì anh về nên cho tụi em để làm phim cho các...
Oh, another view with the pine forest below. I will fly the drone along the river. I will lower the altitude a little. It flew quite far, so I couldn't determine the direction. But I still decided to fly further. Here the lake narrows along the ravine and flows like a small river.
Bay cao lắm mới thấy được cái này chứ.
It was flying very high and below was the dam. I'm flying back to the starting point.
Wow, the mountains and rivers are majestic.
The cars below look so small from the flycam.
Bay xuống dưới luôn rồi, đi xuống dưới thấy cái xe cái cầu này, thấy cái cầu không? Thấy cầu không? Thấy.
Oh, does it look nice?
Bay qua cầu này, bay qua cầu này. Rồi qua cầu rồi, bây giờ cho thấp xuống này.
Now I will gradually lower the altitude.
Đây bây giờ mình đang cho tới nó.
It flew back above the starting
Nó bay
point.
ngược về phía mình này. Thấy không? bây giờ mình không thấy biết nó đâu hết mất phương hướng rồi. Đang bay về nè, đây. À, nó đằng kia, nó đang bay về đây. Nhưng mà thấy được núi tuyết rất là hay. Đây nè, thấy được núi tuyết luôn nè.
Snowy mountains ahead. Prepare for the flycam to land.
Đang bay về. Nó đâu? Nó đang ở trên cao á. Cái gì đâu, nó đang phút ở trên trời, trên độ cao mấy trăm mét nè. Mà thấy cái núi tuyết được đẹp rồi nè. Gì vậy?
It will land right here.
Oh, it flew very low down.
It landed almost touching the ground.
And landed.
You can watch the landing of the flycam from another camera. This is the police camera I wear on my body.
You can buy this police camera. Nono CCTV camera company in Vietnam.
Thú giọng chiến trường liền.
I have to fly for a short time. I don't dare fly for a long time. Although I had asked the tour guide and staff here before about whether it was possible to fly a flycam here. And this is when I was preparing to fly in Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Me and my son. My son will help me use another camera to record. Prepare for takeoff.
Oh, it flies up so fast.
Hả? Wow. Đúng hả?
Oh, the legendary mountain in Shangri La.
Suddenly I heard an announcement. The drone had to be landed because it was not allowed to continue flying. I have to execute the request. Just flew for a few minutes and had to land. It's such a pity because the scenery here is very beautiful. And here is a monastery in Shangri La called Songsanland. Oh, drones are not allowed here.
Cấm rồi. Đúng rồi, nó báo cái vùng này là cấm bay.
My drone can't take off.
Thôi cấm bay thì thôi tắt. Để đi xuống dưới lát, đi xuống dưới hồ thử coi nó có cấm bay không.
You guys watch the beautiful scene at Blue Moon Valley I shot with a 360-degree camera. Our China Discovery Journey hosts many more episodes. Please support the Alex Ho Discovery channel. And don't miss out on watching the next exciting videos. Thank you very much.